like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey you guys, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. I know I have a wig on right now, but I forgot to record an intro. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I retouch my roots and how I got my hair back red from this really ugly brassy color. I'm going to be taking you guys through all the steps, and also I did a quick wig install toward the end. So if you want to see all of that good stuff, make sure you stay tuned. It looks so dry. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm at the beauty supply store right now. Okay, so I found everything I needed. I got 2 different shades of the L'Oreal HiColors in 20 volume and 30 volume developer. So something's gotta work. But yeah, I'm about to go home so I can start this process. I got back home. I'm about to get my hair started and get everything together. I don't know if you guys can see, but right now my hair is 3 different colors, like from here to here and then from here to here in the ends. So I'm gonna try to make it all one color, well, as best as possible. Let's get into that. It's gonna be a very long process. As you can see, I have a lot of hair, so yeah, we're gonna be here for a while, but I'm gonna speed it up. So yeah, let's get into it. So right now I'm gonna let this process for about 25 minutes. Yeah, not too long. And then I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna show you guys what I washed it with. I'm not gonna record me washing it because I need to do it in my kitchen sink, not the shower, because this is red dye. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. Stay tuned. I am back. My hair is red. I don't know if you guys can tell, but for the most part it's all one solid color, except for at the top, because yeah, I was running out. But I'm very pleased with it. Now I'm gonna go in with my, well, I washed my hair with the L'Oreal HiColors shampoo. That's specifically for colored hair, so my color does not fade. I went ahead and did a double cleanse because my scalp was really dirty, and just washed my hair until the water ran clear, or the soap, the shampoo is white instead of whatever color you're done. I'm gonna go in with the Aussie deep conditioner. I am not gonna lie, I like to use like white hair brands because I feel like they just put, you know, more care into it, more, I don't know, more something, and they don't like us to know. But I'm gonna let y'all know the white hair products work really good for your hair, like seriously. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and then I'm gonna put on another shower cap and sleep with it for the night and come back and do my stuff.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was gonna show out.
I almost forgot. I'm also gonna take some silicone mix and put that on my hair and do a treatment. Just a regular flavor. I usually get argan oil, but this one was on sale at the beauty supply store. hours since I've had my deep condition in and my silicone mix treatment. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and wash this out. Just got out the shower, and as you guys can see, my hair is super healthy. Like, it's very tight coils, and yeah, it's no breakage. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lock method. Yes, I still use that method. That's leave-in oil and cream. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. And all these products are gonna be in the description, and it's also gonna be in the link to my Amazon store, so you can just easily access them, because I love you guys that much. So I'm gonna start with the Argan Magic Color Renew Leave-In Spray. So basically, it's sprayed in my face. So basically, all the products I use are tailored to color treated hair, because I do not do all that work just for my color to be running all over the place. And yes, certain products strip your color, they make it faded, they make it dull. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Design Essential Anti-Itch Tea Tree in Aloe Oil. My scalp, my skin, like my body really just loves tea tree oil, so this works really well for me, especially on my edges. And now that it's the winter time, my hair has been like super dry, or my scalp, I should say. My scalp, my skin, everything's just been so dry. My attitude, dry. I'm gonna go in with the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. And I know you're supposed to like section your hair, but man, I'm lazy. And this my hair, I know it's fully incorporated, so just yeah. My Kiss blow dryer, that was in my silk press video. I'm gonna link that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this blow dryer. It gives my hair really straight in a little bit of time, so it's not a lot of heat. That literally took me forever. My arms hurt. I'm hot. Like, I'm sweating. But yeah, this is my hair. I'm gonna come back for the install. So all of this will be braided up. And stay tuned.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow.
I'm braided down. I am pretty much going to fast forward through this part really quickly, because first of all, this video was supposed to be about me retouching my roots. How we got to a wig install, I don't know, but we're here now. So I'm just gonna move quickly through that. If you want to see a detailed, in-depth version of how I do my wig installs, I already did a video on that previously, so I will leave that linked up above somewhere on the screen for you all.
I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my Bold Hold Active and put that along my edges where I want the stocking cap to stay in place, or where I want to cut it. You know, you guys know what I mean, where I want to cut it. I'm actually gonna put some makeup on it, because yeah, I'm just gonna put makeup on it. I'm annoying. I decided not to put makeup on this. I'm gonna just put makeup on my wig, because I don't want it to be too dark. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror not at the camera, so yeah. That's why I be looking crazy. I'll be like, what's she looking at? I'm looking at my mirror. And I'm just like, I want to hurry up and get this video filmed and edited and posted, hopefully tonight, but probably by tomorrow, because I'm posting a video for Christmas, and I like to, like, you know, have some space in between my uploads, even though I planned a video for you all, but I told y'all to get a new phone, and then my backups didn't save, so that's why there was a big gap in my videos this time. And you guys know I don't like to record bullshit. That's why I haven't been posting any content. And you know what I noticed? You bitches on YouTube think this is Instagram. Like, babe, you have 2 views and 1 comment, and I'm that comment. I wish you would like my comment and not respond. Bitch, I wish you would. I'll delete my comment, back to 0 comments, and snatch back my view. Bitch, stop playing with me. You hoes really be acting like, absolutely not. And I'm like a super nice person, so I always interact with people and, like, you know, different things like that, show people love and support. I'm not saying you gotta comment on my videos. I'm not saying that. But bitch, don't be fucking rude. That's what I'm saying. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna come back and put on the wig. So, these people at my job are so aggravating. Like, they act like 2-year-olds. Like, they cannot do it. First of all, who hired you? How did you even get hired? And you can't even do your job. This one nigga, he asks for help every call he take. Like, bro, if you can't do your job, just say that. He's the only person. And then it's like, do you not notice you're the only person in the chat that be asking for help all the time? Like, the fuck? This shit is aggravating. And it's like, at this point, you're being lazy. You just do not want to do your job. You don't want to take the steps to figure it out. Like, and it's aggravating me. I'm about to start ignoring his shit. Like, I really don't care. And then he got the nerve to be, and then they got the other new people in the motherfucking chat got the nerve to be like, oh, we nominate him for the lead position. Like, this bitch cannot even fucking help himself, and you want him to be somebody's manager, supervisor? Are y'all shitting me? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? They just dumb. Focus. I have to go back to work, so I am just gonna sew this bad boy down and style it. Fast forward, because I promise you, I honestly don't even want to style it. And then I'm gonna come back and see you guys in the outro. So, I lied. I'm sorry, you guys. I am not gonna style it. I do not want to style it tonight, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna style it until Saturday, which is Christmas. So, yeah, I'm just gonna hurry up and edit this video and get that out to you guys. If you stayed to the end of my video, clearly you're feeling me, and I'm feeling you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one for my Christmas video. That one is gonna be so cute. And make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go watch my previous videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay. I look crusty. So, it smells really good. Okay, gets my hair really, really straight with and a little bit of cause for no reason. So yeah.